Hey guys, finally he sleeps here. I'm back again. Today I'm at ZZ Wrap Shop, but I've got the daily Honda pulled in, 2014. We're gonna go ahead and swap out speakers today. New door panel, and we're gonna do rear deck speakers, but that's in a separate video. So here we're gonna put in, there are 4 of these. It's the same size for the front and the rear. We have adapter plates. We'll show you how to hook those up. It's really simple. Alpine 6.5-inch EL-65-Gs. These will fit in the front and the rear for us. So here on the driver's side, the first step is to pop this panel up. We're going to use a panel trim tool and just get underneath and pry it, pop it up. It'll come out here, and then we're going to have 2 wiring harnesses. Go ahead and remove the wiring harnesses. Now that we've got the handle and the wiring harness disconnected, there is a Phillips screw right there. We'll take that out. And then the next step is to find the clips along the edge and pop them out using just a trim tool panel. Now that we have all of those popped free, we're just gonna lift it up and unseat it from the top of the door. And there's the door speaker that we are gonna be taking out. On the factory door speakers, there's just this one. That's it. This whole thing is kind of silicone to the door, so you'll have to use like a screwdriver to pop it free like we did, and the whole thing lifts up from the bottom. There's 2 clips here in the bottom, and then we just disconnect it and the old speaker is out. Now the next step, you have a choice. You can either cut the wiring harness back and add in new connections to go to the speaker. We're going the easy way with a set of Metra 72-7800, and what these will do is click right into that and give us the actual ports that we need specifically for our speakers. Now because we're going with 6.5-inch in the front, it's a little bit oversized. We've got a set of HSB 524 AI pack speaker adapters specifically for this Honda and these Alpine speakers. So these are our adapters, and because we're going with a larger speaker than the doors are supposed to fit, we're gonna have to cut these inner tabs off. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inner tabs that we'll trim off so that the new speakers will fit. Okay, those tabs are all trimmed off. So this just slips in to the factory holes, and then the factory screw goes back in, and then we click the speaker in, and there are already some pre-drilled holes that the 4 will line up. Now it won't sit square, but it'll be behind the door panel, so it won't matter. So what I ended up doing was, because the speaker was so large with the bracket, is I used the bracket hole on the top, and then we just put a self-tap in at the bottom that came with the speaker, and then we can do the same thing here on the sides. Button it up, we tested it, the speaker works, and then we'll do the same thing to the other side. That's it, easy. Now the rear deck we'll do, it'll be the next video.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams, in a world of games it seems.